Hey, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make your ceiling just a little less boring. What do I mean by that? Well, obviously it's in the title. I'm going to make a holographic ceiling thing with some party paper or whatever. It looks really cool. So let me show you how I did it. Okay, so first you need this. I'm actually going to do the less colorful side. I'm going to do the silver side because I feel like that will attract the light more, if that makes sense. And I will also be using this tape. Okay, I have the whole one side taped and I'm going to try to put it up on the ceiling. Holy crapiola. That was not easy. I had to move my fan, but now I'm going to tape the other side. Ah, my holographic ceiling! Let me turn off my lights and see if it gets any effect. Well, kinda, not really, but it still looks really cool. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little cheap tutorial to make your room look cool, I guess. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give me a like, and why not subscribe while you're down there. Anyways, I'm so grateful to have viewers and subscribers like you. So again, thank you.